Well, hello, YouTube family and friends. This is Antoinette, and I am at my daughter's house, and I wanted to share her plants with you on my channel. So, this is her neon pothos. We got ours at the same time, but hers is doing so much better than mine. It's so pretty. She just keeps it in the same place all the time. She hates when I come over and bother it. And because, I do stuff like this, let it hang down. But I'm going to put it back up like that so it won't look like I bothered it. But isn't this pretty? The color is nice. Yeah. Uh-oh, I got to put that leaf back. Okay, and so over here, she has a plant. I forgot the name of it. And let's see what this tag says. It doesn't say anything but tropical foliage. Yeah, it's tropical foliage, all right. But it's pretty. Again, I didn't do this. I'm just taking it off. And I have evidence. Oh, Lord. I'm going to leave that there until I shut off the video, and then I can tear it off without breaking it. But that's also pretty, right? Look at the leaves. The color in the leaves. I like this. She's got some spots going on there. I gotta figure out what that is. Yeah, I gotta figure out what that is. But it's really pretty. Okay, and then right here she has a palm. Again, I gotta get my scissors and start snipping. But she has some new ones growing in here. I thought I saw some new ones. But this is really nice. She's got them positioned pretty nice. Okay, what else we got? Oh, we got one over here. Ooh, this is nice. Look at the leaves. I don't know the names of any of these right now. I probably do, but can't think of them right offhand. But isn't it nice? Let's see. Yeah, that's nice. And then, she has one over here that I got a doctor on a little bit. Oh, yeah, because this one has been calling my name. Now, I have one of these at home. Now, this is the one that bloomed for me. But, yeah, so, yeah, I got to take the dead ones off. Yeah, I got to take these off. Yeah. Now, this one is pretty good. I like this one too. And I don't know, she doesn't have an issue with spider mites. Wait, there's another one out here in the hall. Now this one she has right near the door. Her corn plant. And, well, can you see that? Now that's really, come on, focus. That's really nice. And she has it right at the door. And it's snowing outside, but she's had it out here all winter, and it hasn't done anything like die. So it's doing all right. Okay, let me see. What other plants does she have? I think that's it. Oh, yeah, she's got one of these up here. She's got one of the also in the hallway. It's doing good. Yeah, let's see what else. I think that's it, guys. Oh, yeah, she has a snake and a prayer. She has a snake plant over here. She has a snake plant over here. She has a prayer plant that's doing well. It's doing well. And then over here she has a snake plant. I have, not this. This isn't a snake plant. But she has a snake plant. This one. And this one. That looks like it needs a little love. This looks like a dumb cane or something. Yeah, it looks like it needs a little love. But, yeah, doing pretty good for her plants. Yeah, so, yep. So, thank you for watching the video. And give this video a thumbs up. if you like it. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and remember to hug someone, show them some love, and appreciate the small things. God bless. Oh, that's my daughter and son-in-law. God bless everybody.